Friends, welcome. We are in a world where teachings of Buddha, enlightenment, and methods of Buddhist meditation are key factors in realization of secrets of the nature. Lord Buddha, born as a prince, saw the world in all its colors. As human beings, as warriors, as citizens, as people of all walks of life. In his interaction as a prince, Buddha understood human nature, way of doing things, strengths and weaknesses of human beings. Keeping these aspects in mind, when he did choose to go for enlightenment and started traveling on the path of enlightened existence, he discovered, suggested, made his followers follow three major principles: Sangh, the community or collectivity; Dharma, way of life, way of existence; and enlightenment or Buddha, and gave the mantras Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. The important aspect behind all three is Buddha's explanation of levels of existence in a human being. Though not openly written or explicitly told, Buddha understood the levels of existence which are defined as physical, subtle, causal, or supercausal, also called as Annamay Kosh, Pranamay Kosh, Jnanamay Kosh, Manomay Kosh, Anandamay Kosh, etc. These aspects relate to the human body, physical body, as Annamay Kosh and Pranamay Kosh, and Buddha suggested the way of two ways of meditation: Kayopasana and Swasopasana. Kayopasana means meditating on the physical aspects of the body, the organs, the senses, the systems, etc., including a cell and everything else which goes around it. Next, Buddha suggested Swasopasana, the breathing, the meditation on breath. Breath moves. There are five types of main breaths in the human body: Pranavayu, Apanvayu, Udanvayu, Samanvayu, etc., which function at different levels of the physical organs, like Apanvayu helps in moving of the air, Udanvayu helps in self-realization or moksha, Pranavayu deals with existence, etc. Thus, meditating on the movement of the breath makes a seeker understand strengths and weaknesses and leads to higher levels of evolution. Next, Buddha suggested is manopashana, meditation on man or mind. Mind is the controller of human body, senses, organs, etc., and has levels depending on the levels of consciousness like unconscious, subconscious, conscious, superconscious. And meditating on mind, a seeker can rise from unconscious to superconscious in seeking. The last or very important one is Chittopasana or meditation on Chit. Chit is attention and is an aspect of the human body. Important point to understand is kaya or physical body, swas or pran or vayu, part of the physical body, man, the part of the subtle body, the second level of body, chit, an aspect of the causal body or the third level of body. And once a seeker rises from physical to the causal, it is expected that seeker will automatically proceed or progress towards higher states of existence. Though in Buddhist Upasana system, the aspects of supercausal, that is Atma, Paramatma, and Prakriti, are not discussed, but once the human attention moves from inside to outside, a seeker will get awareness of the nature or creation or existence, and hence Chittopasana will lead to Prakriti Upasana or meditation of nature. Nature can be tamasic, rasic, sattvic, depending on the human being, and a further one will lead to Atmopasana or self realization. Atma, Paramatma, Prakriti, all three are aspects of the supercausal, and hence the meditation on these aspects goes beyond Chittopasana, but stability of chit, stability of mind, stability of breath, stability of physical body are essential for moving towards self realization or knowing about ourselves or knowing our Atma. That is Atmgyan or Atmopasana leads to understanding of self and knowing what we are. As often it is said, know thyself means know yourself, which is self realization. The, once a person is stabilized in self realization, it leads to higher levels, and seeker goes to Paramatopasana or meditation of God, the Creator, the Paramatma. This also leads to higher levels of sadhana or samadhi, which are nirvichar, nirvikalp, and God realization. Buddha himself was a God realized being, which means Buddha has passed through not only the kaya, physical body, subtle body, causal body, but also achieved the end of the supercausal, which is Paramatma. And hence, his teachings have been restricted to Chittopasana because human nature is such, understanding is such that they probably may not understand. But Buddha himself was God realized or fully enlightened and regarded as incarnation, because of his union with Paramatma. This is the essence of Buddha and the enlightenment achieved through Buddha learning. May God bless all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.